In Conway's growing residential and commercial property market, homeowners and business owners alike are looking for smart, cost-effective upgrades that offer both comfort and return on investment. One such upgrade that continues to gain popularity is the use of double-pane glass in window installations. This innovation not only enhances comfort but also significantly increases the value of your property. Here's how double-pane glass boosts both function and financial appeal in any Conway window installation project. Energy efficiency that reduces utility bills. Double-pane windows consist of two panes of glass separated by an insulating layer of gas, typically argon or krypton. This design creates a thermal barrier that dramatically reduces heat transfer. In Conway, where hot, humid summers and chilly winters are part of the annual cycle, this insulation makes a huge difference. By minimizing heat gain in the summer and heat loss in the winter, double-pane windows stabilize indoor temperatures. That means less work for your HVAC system and noticeable reductions in energy bills. In fact, many homeowners report up to a 25% drop in their energy usage after switching from single-pane to double-pane windows. This ongoing savings adds long-term value to your home and increases its appeal to potential buyers looking for energy-efficient properties. Enhanced indoor comfort all year long. Temperature regulation isn't the only comfort factor double-pane windows improve. They also help reduce drafts and condensation, common problems with older or single-pane windows. During Conway's colder months, this insulation means fewer cold spots near the window, and during hot summers, less radiant heat entering your space. For homeowners and businesses focused on indoor comfort, double-pane glass makes rooms feel consistently cozy without the constant adjustment of thermostats. Noise reduction for peace of mind. Living in a busy neighborhood, near a school, or close to downtown Conway often comes with unwanted noise. Double-pane glass provides an excellent buffer against outside sound, thanks to the insulating gas and additional glass layer. Whether it's traffic, barking dogs, or lawn equipment, double-pane windows significantly reduce noise penetration. This added tranquility increases the perceived quality of life in your home and is a strong selling point for future buyers. Stronger security and durability. Double-pane windows don't just insulate, they also add an extra layer of protection. The additional pane makes the window more difficult to break, which is a deterrent to would-be intruders. Some options even come with laminated or tempered safety glass, adding further resilience. This improved safety profile gives homeowners peace of mind and may even lower homeowners' insurance premiums. It also contributes to property value by signaling a well-maintained and secure home. Increased home resale value. Real estate professionals in Conway recognize energy-efficient upgrades like double-pane glass as top value improvements. They're an easy win for appraisers and buyers because they require no maintenance and promise immediate energy savings. Homes equipped with modern double-pane windows stand out in listings, often selling faster and closer to asking price. For homeowners planning to sell within the next 5 to 10 years, this upgrade offers both immediate benefits and a long-term payoff. UV protection that preserves interiors. Double-pane windows can be coated with low emissivity, low-E film that helps block harmful UV rays. This protects furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading over time, a detail that homeowners deeply appreciate and one that adds to the overall appeal and value of the space. Final thoughts. Double-pane glass is more than just a modern window feature. It's an investment in comfort, efficiency, safety, and resale potential. For property owners in Conway seeking a smart upgrade, installing double-pane windows is a decision that pays off in both daily quality of life and long-term financial return. If you're planning a window installation in Conway, choosing double-pane glass is a practical and powerful way to elevate your home or business.